Hey everyone, so today we're going to be drawing a
Christmas present.
Yes, we love presents, right?
Yeah, because everything fun Santa gives us.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. So we're going to start with a pencil. So any mistakes we make, we can just erase it. And then we will use a marker to trace over it so
Yeah.
that we can see it better. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's start off with a square, okay?
Okay.
Well, it's going to look more like a rectangle right now. So we're just going to draw a line down. I'll do it a little darker so you guys can see it. And then we're going to go across. And then we're just going to go up again. It's not going to be a square, it's going to be a rectangle because we're going to put the top of the box over here. And now we're just going to go across.
Oh, we've done the opposite way.
That's right. Okay, I'm just gonna fix this box a little bit. Just make it a little straight. Oopsie. Okay, and we'll erase some of that excess stuff. Now on top of this rectangle, we're gonna draw another longer rectangle this way, and that's gonna be the
That's
cover.
going to be smaller.
That's gonna be the cover of the box.
And that's going to be smaller.
Okay, so we'll just do.
And then, that's just going to be smaller.
Yep. So it's just going to be a slightly longer than
Yeah, just longer. Not
and then we're just going to go across like that.
Yeah.
We're going to put a ribbon for tying the box. So we'll just draw one long line this way. It's not a line, more like a rectangle this way, and then we're going to erase this line here. So let's go ahead. So that's one, and then draw another line here so that it looks like a rectangle here. And now let's take this line.
Just square out.
Okay. And don't worry if the lines are still visible because we will color over that. All right, now we're going to do the bow. Okay, the box is done. We're going to do the bow now. And we're going to start off with the knot in the middle. And it's going to look a little like this. And then it's just going to curve like that. Mine is a little uneven, but it's okay. And we're going to draw a line to show that it's folded here. Okay, and now we're going to draw the bow. So there's going to be two sides of the bows coming out, and it's going to look like almost like butterfly wings. So we're just going to start off like that and then curve it in the bottom. We're going to give two curves, one big curve and then one small curve, and then same with this side. We're going to do one big, one small, just like that. Okay, good job. All right, and then we're gonna put some creases here just so that it looks like the bows are folded. So we're just gonna draw a nice line here, small line, a faint line, another faint line this way. And I'm just gonna draw like a little curve this way so that it shows that it's folded. All right, we're just gonna go like that. All right, and I'm gonna make this a little fluffier. Just like that.
Fluffier?
Yeah, fluffy.
That's not fluffy.
All right, so now we can start tracing with our markers. All right, so now we're going to start outlining our present. I'm just gonna start off with this, the top of the box first.
I'm starting with some.
And it's okay if your lines don't come out straight. You just gotta keep practicing.
Because Mom's not coming out straight, but that's okay.
Right, and my lines are not perfect either. But once you color everything in, it's gonna look perfect. I actually wanted to do some designs on my present, so I want to do some polka dots. so I will go ahead
Actually, I
and
want
start.
to do something. I want to do a design too.
You do? Okay. Here you go.
I want to do some squiggly lines.
Alright guys, so we're done drawing and now we're going to color our presents.
And we are the same color.
Yeah, we're gonna both use gold and red.
And we're going to share together.
Yes, we're gonna share. So I'm gonna
And
start.
cherries together.
Yeah.
And cherries caring.
Sharing is caring, that's right.
Is
So we're gonna start coloring our bow. I'm going to color my bow gold and you will color your bow red, right? Okay. Alright, now we're gonna switch. Yep, we're gonna switch. Now you're gonna use gold for your designs and I will use red for my designs. Alright, so we're going to fill in the whites. We decided that we wanted to make our presents a little more colorful.
And we have to make our presents Christmas colors.
Yeah, we can do that. So I was thinking to fill in the whites with green.
Wait a minute, I wanted to use Mighty Mo to pick a green color.
Okay, yeah. Alright, how about we do that?
Okay.
Okay, we got all the greens. These are the different
Okay,
shades of green.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger, monster. Here is eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Oh, you got the middle shade green.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If it sneezes, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Oh,
I
again.
got the dark green.
Again. You did it.
Alright, so let's fill in the whites with our green. All right, everyone, what do you guys think? These are our presents.
Yeah.
And they both look amazing.
Yeah, and the colors are the same, like red and gold and red and gold. And we both have green.
And green. That's
Yeah,
right.
these are the same, but except the design.
Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed drawing presents with us.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.